My name is Sophie, and I want to tell you about my best friend. My best friend is not a person. It is my pet cat. His name is Whiskers, and he is the most wonderful cat in the world. I got Whiskers 2 years ago when he was just a tiny kitten. My family went to the animal shelter to look for a pet. There were many cats and dogs there, but Whiskers was special. He was small and grey with white paws that looked like little socks. When I saw Whiskers, he was sleeping in a cage with other kittens. But when I put my finger near the cage, he woke up and came to me immediately. He looked at me with his big green eyes and made a tiny meow sound. "Mom, I love this kitten," I said. "Can we take him home?" My mother looked at the little grey kitten. "He does seem to like you," she said, "and he looks healthy and friendly." The lady at the animal shelter told us about Whiskers. "This kitten is 8 weeks old," she said. "He is very social and loves people. He will make a wonderful pet." We decided to adopt Whiskers that same day. We bought everything he needed: a bed, food bowls, toys, and a litter box. When we brought Whiskers home, I was so excited. Now Whiskers is a big, healthy cat. He weighs 5 kilograms and has beautiful grey fur with white markings. His fur is very soft and fluffy. He has white paws, a white chest, and a small white spot on his nose. That is why we named him Whiskers. He has long white whiskers on his face. Whiskers wears a blue collar with a small bell and a name tag. The name tag has his name and our phone number. If he ever gets lost, someone can call us. Every morning, I take care of Whiskers before I go to school. First, I feed him his breakfast. Whiskers eats special cat food that comes in small brown pellets. I put 1 cup of food in his blue bowl. He also has fresh water in a separate bowl every day. "Good morning, Whiskers," I say when I fill his bowls. Whiskers always runs to his food and starts eating immediately. He is always hungry in the morning. After Whiskers eats, I clean his litter box. Cats are very clean animals, and they like their bathroom to be clean too. I remove any waste and add fresh litter when needed. Whiskers has many favourite activities during the day. His most favourite thing is sleeping. Cats sleep for about 16 hours every day. Whiskers has several favourite sleeping places in our house. Sometimes he sleeps on my bed. He likes to curl up in a ball on my soft blue blanket. When he sleeps there, he purrs loudly. Purring is the happy sound cats make when they are content. Whiskers also likes to sleep in sunny spots near the windows. He finds a warm patch of sunlight and stretches out completely. On sunny days, he moves from window to window, following the sunlight around the house. Another place Whiskers loves to sleep is on the sofa in our living room. He has claimed the corner cushion as his own special place. My family cannot sit there anymore because it is Whiskers' spot. When Whiskers is not sleeping, he likes to play. He has many toys: small balls, toy mice, feathers on sticks, and a scratching post. His favourite toy is a small red ball with a bell inside. When he plays with it, the ball makes noise as it rolls across the floor. Whiskers loves to chase the ball around the house. He runs very fast and sometimes slides on the smooth kitchen floor. It is very funny to watch. He also likes to hide behind furniture and then jump out to surprise the ball. Another game Whiskers enjoys is hunting toy mice. He has 3 small stuffed mice that look real. He carries them in his mouth like a real hunter. Sometimes I find the toy mice in strange places: under the sofa, in my shoes, or even in my bed. Whiskers is also very social. He likes to be near people. When I do my homework at the kitchen table, Whiskers sits on the chair next to me. He does not help with my math problems, but he keeps me company. When I watch television in the evening, Whiskers sits on my lap. He is heavy now, but I do not mind. I pet his soft fur while we watch programs together. Whiskers purrs loudly when I pet him. The purring sound is very relaxing. Whiskers has some interesting habits. Every morning at exactly 7 o'clock, he sits by my bedroom door and meows until I wake up. He is better than an alarm clock. He knows it is time for breakfast and he does not want to wait. When someone comes to our front door, Whiskers runs to see who it is. He is not afraid of visitors. Instead, he is curious about everyone who comes to our house. Some of my friends are afraid of cats, but Whiskers is so friendly that they usually like him. Whiskers also likes to look out the windows. He sits on the windowsill and watches birds, squirrels, and people walking by. Sometimes he makes chattering sounds at the birds. I think he is trying to talk to them. At night, Whiskers has a routine. After dinner, he cleans himself by licking his fur. Cats are very clean animals and spend a lot of time grooming themselves. After he finishes cleaning, he finds a comfortable place to sleep for the night. Taking care of Whiskers is a big responsibility, but I enjoy it. Besides feeding him and cleaning his litter box, I also brush his fur twice a week. This helps keep his coat shiny and removes loose hair. Once a year, I take Whiskers to the veterinarian for a checkup. The vet examines Whiskers to make sure he is healthy. She checks his teeth, ears, and eyes. She also gives him vaccinations to prevent diseases. Whiskers is a very healthy cat, the vet always says. You are taking excellent care of him. I am proud when the vet says this. It means I am a good pet owner. Having Whiskers has taught me many things. I have learned to be responsible because I must take care of him every day. I have learned to be gentle because cats need kind treatment. I have also learned about love because Whiskers and I love each other very much. When I am sad or worried about school, Whiskers seems to know. He comes to me and purrs loudly. Sometimes he puts his paw on my hand as if he is trying to comfort me. Pets have a special way of making people feel better. Whiskers makes our whole family happy. My parents enjoy watching him play, and even my little brother likes to pet him. Whiskers brings joy and laughter to our home every day. I cannot imagine life without my wonderful cat. Whiskers is not just a pet, he is a member of our family. I hope he will be with us for many more years. Taking care of Whiskers has made me a more caring and responsible person. Every night before I go to sleep, I tell Whiskers, "Good night, my best friend." And every morning when I wake up, his purring face is the first thing I see. Having a pet cat is one of the best things in my life.